What is the best SEO plugin for WordPress? So in this video, I'm going to show you the best and the only best which I use myself, the best SEO plugin for WordPress. So guys, let's get started. So again, as you could see over here, guys, we are on the WordPress dashboard. All you have to do is click on plugin. So the best SEO plugin I would suggest in my way is Yoast SEO. Okay, but I'm not gonna lie, if you want to install, just click on plugins, add new, and just type Yoast and click enter. So now as you could see, Yoast is there, and there's one more plugin, Rank Math. Okay, so recently I started using Rank Math as well. So if you're a little advanced, so let's say you want more advanced features, then you can use Rank Math. But if you're just starting new, just want to write a blog, I would always suggest using Yoast SEO because it's very simple to use. And then once you install, just click on activate, and then as you could see over here, this is one of my sample websites. If I just click on, as you could see, it's green. So all you have to do is just click on edit post. So once you're over here, so all the SEO setting for Yoast is below. Okay, so this is the Yoast SEO setting. If you cannot see this, you can just click over here. Okay, and you can see over here as well on the top right. So all you have to do is put your keyword over here. So this is your keyword, what you're ranking for. If you don't know what are keywords, or if you want to find a really good keyword with low competition and high traffic, I've created a video about that as well. It's on my playlist, so go and check it out. But then this is it. So this is how you can use Yoast SEO. Put the focus keyword over here. This is how your website would show on Google. Make sure whenever you're writing a post, this should be green. And as you could see over here, a lot of things are green, but most of them, one of them is red, one of them is orange. So as long as this smile is green, it's fine, you can use it. And then even this smile is green, you can use it. Okay, and then it has a premium feature as well, add related key phrase, but then I don't use it. Even you don't have to use it in the beginning, that's it. And rather than using the best SEO plugin, guys, you need to write content consistently. Okay, it doesn't matter which plugin you use, but you need to write consistently. This is how you can start, ranking on Google, and you can start getting traffic on your website. Because a lot of time people just try to figure out what is the best SEO plugin, what is the best hosting, what is the best, how to design your website the best theme, and they forget about the main thing, which is the content. So you need to write content every day. Make sure you research, you find out really good keywords which would get easily rank. Okay, so you need to work very smart. Create a very basic website. Don't get or waste your time in color, design, logo. Just start writing content, and write content on low competition and high traffic keyword. And I mean, that's it for today's video. And if you would like to learn more about getting traffic to your website organically without spending on ads and get targeted traffic on your website, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.